Purpose of a mystery key on an IBM PC 3270 keyboard. A colleague has just come into possession of a large number of IBM PC 3270 keyboards. Don't ask. These keyboards have a number of very interesting looking keys, but the one that most intrigued us is the one at the bottom right of the block illustrated here. In the absence of knowing its purpose, we've nicknamed it the person in a wheelchair being chased down a hill by a boulder key. We are relatively confident, however, that this isn't its actual name. Any PC/mainframe history buffs able to help us out?
I do know the symbol on the bottom right key as being the symbol typically used when proofreading written documents. It is a delete. When you write that over a letter or word in a paper, it indicates that it is unneeded and should be removed. Seeing as how this is an older keyboard, the users of the equipment at the time likely would be very familiar with proofreading symbols and understand what it represents. My guess, without having used the machine in question, is that it likely is the delete key. This page goes through a history of some IBM keyboard layouts, and a few pages down you see this image. You can see the key layout in your screenshot above the arrow keys. The key layout is the delete mark on the key makes sense, especially combined with the proofreading mark also used for insert.
This is an IBM 6110344 keyboard, and the keys on the 6110344 are laid out like this. So the key you're looking for corresponds to scan code 6D. When we look at the related scan codes on the link given above, that key turns out to be del, namely delete.
The symbol you nicknamed as person in wheelchair being chased down a hill by a boulder is for indicating that the alphabet is wrong. Closely looking at the key, we can separate the A and the other symbol. The other symbol is indicating wrong sign.
A per degree is the del key. At its left is the insert key, A.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.